It was an epic battle. Man versus the mountain. Fought on a chillingly dangerous territory. A battle with the elements and the fear within. When a group of tribal youths from Maharashtra set foot on the Mount Everest, it did not just conquer the highest mountain peak in the world. It also became a symbol of what the indomitable human spirit and boundless courage can achieve. This is exactly what Mission Shaurya had been preparing them for. An initiative of Tribal Development Department Maharashtra, Mission Shaurya aims at helping the tribal youth discover their true potential while instilling a sense of sportsmanship in them. For the first edition of this mission, the Everest expedition, 10 tribal students were selected after a rigorous training camp. Starting from a rock climbing course at Bhongir to getting familiar with high altitudes at the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling, the students were exposed to various levels of mountaineering. An insight into ice and snowcraft at Rohtang Glacier steeled them further for their ultimate mission. The Honorable Governor and the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra personally motivated the team and flagged off the mission formally.
आपण नेहमी असं सांगत असतो की फार उंच जा, पण तुम्ही सर्वात मोठ्या उंचीवर चालला. यापेक्षा आता उंच जागा दुसरी कुठली उपलब्ध नाही. त्यामुळे तुमच्या जीवनातला सर्वोच्च क्षण जो पुढची 50 वर्ष तुमच्या लक्षात राहील असा क्षण हा तुम्हाला प्राप्त होतोय.
On 11th of April, the team embarked on its historic journey to the Mount Everest from Kathmandu. What followed was an extremely arduous trek across 3 base camps, which tested the limits of their endurance and ability. From the base camp at Kathmandu, the team moved to intermediate base camp housed at 5,900 meters, and then to the advanced base camp at 6,400 meters. Amidst sub-zero temperatures and icy cold winds, the team navigated deep gorges, avalanche-prone areas and steep peaks. Then began a near vertical climb of 7,300 meters on the North Col Wall. The next halt was Camp 2, an open, exposed and a steep area. The penultimate stop was Camp 3 at 8,300 meters, which is the last camp before the summit. Had it been a mountain, it would have been the 6th highest in the world. The team was now in what is called the death zone, because climbers here are at the mercy of weather and artificial oxygen they carry. As they inched closer to their aim, it was their undying faith and unflinching determination that kept them firmly on course. 3:25 a.m. Kavidas and Umakant became the first 2 members of the team to set foot atop Mount Everest, followed by Parmesh and Manisha an hour later. Next day, Vikas became the 5th member to conquer the peak. Success of Mission Shaurya is a team effort of students, coaches and Maharashtra government. Integrated Tribal Development Project, District Administration Chandrapur and Tribal Development Department, Government of Maharashtra also played a very important role in this mission. The glorious feat got a mention from none other than the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, in his program Mann Ki Baat.
16 मई को महाराष्ट्र के चंद्रपुर के एक आश्रम स्कूल के 5 आदिवासी बच्चों ने, ट्राइबल स्टूडेंट्स मनीषा धुवरे, प्रमेश अले, उमाकांत माधवी, कविदास काटमोड़े, विकास सोयम, इन हमारे आदिवासी बच्चों के इस दल ने दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची चोटी पर चढ़ाई की। आश्रम स्कूल के इन छात्रों ने अगस्त 2017 में ट्रेनिंग शुरू की थी। वर्धा, हैदराबाद, दार्जिलिंग, लेह, लद्दाख इनकी ट्रेनिंग हुई। इन युवाओं को मिशन शौर्य के तहत चुना गया था और नाम के ही अनुरूप एवरेस्ट फतह कर उन्होंने पूरे देश को गौरवान्वित किया है। मैं चंद्रपुर के स्कूल के लोगों को, इन मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने साथियों को हृदय से बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ।